Dong from Vietnam Cleanroom Equipment (VCR). Over the past 10 years, we've supported cleanroom setups in pharmaceutical, electronics, and medical device factories across Southeast Asia. One of the most common questions I get from engineers and buyers is, how do I choose the right HEPA filter for my cleanroom? A wrong decision here can lead to contamination, failed audits, and even production shutdowns. So today, let's break it down. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air. These filters remove 99.97% of airborne particles as greater than or equal to 0.3 microns, and that includes dust, bacteria, and even some viruses. In a cleanroom, your HEPA filter isn't just a filter. It's the first line of defense against contamination. But not all HEPA filters are created equal, and using the wrong type can silently break your compliance. Here are the 5 key factors you should consider when selecting a HEPA filter. Efficiency class. According to N1822, use at least H13 for ISO class 7 to 8, and H14 for ISO class 5 to 6. Frame material. Choose aluminum for lightweight needs. Stainless steel for high humidity or corrosive environments. Seal type. For critical zones, I highly recommend gel-sealed filters. They provide a leak-proof seal better than standard gaskets. Filter media. Mini-pleat filters save space and reduce pressure drop. PTFE media is great for chemical resistance. Pressure drop resistance. Always check the filter's resistance. A high pressure drop will overload your FFU or HVAC. Different industries have different requirements. Let's take a look. Pharmaceutical. Use H14, gel seal, and 100% leak-tested filters. No compromise. Electronics and semiconductor. Low outgassing, ultra-clean media, anti-static properties if needed. Cosmetics or food. Often H13 is enough. But watch out for moisture and corrosion. Hospitals and labs. Antimicrobial treatment and gel seal preferred. Let me share the top 4 mistakes I see people make when choosing HEPA filters. Crossmark wrong efficiency rating. Right pointing arrow leads to audit failure. Crossmark overlooking pressure drop. Right pointing arrow damages air system. Crossmark using poor seals. Right pointing arrow causes leakage and contamination. Crossmark no test certificates. Right pointing arrow non-compliant equipment. At VCR, we manufacture and test HEPA filters that meet international standards. Whether you need H13, H14, gel seal, or special frame sizes, we customize to your project needs. Push-pin key features. H13, H14 certified to N1822. Leak tested. Cleanroom packed. Mini pleat and deep pleat types. Frames. Aluminum, steel, stainless, gel or gasket seal options. And we've already delivered to clients in Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos. Choosing the right HEPA filter doesn't need to be confusing. If you still have questions, reach out to me or my team. We're here to help. You can also download our free HEPA filter selection guide in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos on cleanroom equipment, compliance, and best practices.